So in this next section, we are going into the major thing, which is called the BMAD method. It's very powerful, very important for whatever strategy you want to come up with. So let's go check it out. We are going to click here, then click BMAD method. So let's just see what the BMAD method is. So the BMAD method, for those who probably are a little bit familiar with coding, it's an agile form of development. We have QAs, we have project managers, we have UX designers, we have architects, we have developers. So as you can see, this is the chart of how it flows. So it's a bit complicated. I don't want to get into the whole of it. I just want us to go through the process of using or leveraging the BMAD method to come up with the best product that we can. So that being said, as you can see here, we start from this point, and then on phase 1 we are going to come up with something that is called the project brief. It's down here. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is come up with a project brief. Okay, so and before we do that, we have to install the BMAD method onto our computer. And for us to install the BMAD method onto our computer, we first have to have some dependencies. I believe it's supposed to be Node.js, yes, Node 20 and above. As you can see here, you see whatever is here. So let me just show you how you're going to install Node.js. Just come here, click Node 20, then it's going to bring you to this folder. It doesn't have to be Node 20, just let's say Node long-term support. Okay, Node LTS. It's going to be a later version than 20. So you just come to Node.js, click here. It's important so that we can have the BMAD method work. So remember, you've already installed the IDE, you've installed the anti-gravity, you've also installed Google Cloud Code. So now what you need is to install Node.js. Okay, so there's no coding here. So, don't start freaking out when you see these things. Okay, so here we have get Node.js. It's version 24. It's long-term support. We don't want the current one, we want the long-term support one. Then for Windows, okay, and then we want it to use let's see, do you want it to use Docker? Okay, with npm. We can let it just use npm for the time being. Actually, if we can get an MSI, yes, the installer here. Okay, so or get prebuild Node.js Windows running on 64 architecture. Click on this one, not the standalone. Get the MSI. Once you get this folder, it's going to be installed onto your machine. Once it's installed onto your machine, just click on install, then click on next. Follow the promptings, and then you're going to be good to go. Once you have that done, now come back to the BMAD method. Let me just cancel this because I already have Node installed. Then come back to github.com/BMAD code, or you can just search for BMAD code or BMAD method. It's going to bring you to this page. So you're going to take this link down here. As you can see, we are talking about the BMAD method and the BMAD core. We are going to come here and look at this chart. We have where it starts, and where it starts we have the product brief, and then under the product brief we are going to come and pick this link. Okay, install BMAD method. So you're going to pick this link, npx BMAD method at alpha install. This is the version 6. We had the version 4, but I prefer the version 6. It's more advanced and has more capabilities. So let me just Control C that, copy that, and then I'm not going to use anti-gravity, I'm going to use VS Code. So once I get to VS Code, I'm going to click on these three dots, go to terminal, click on new terminal. Once I get to new terminal, I'm going to paste the link there, and then I'm going to run it. So let me just paste it there and then run it. If you find any difficulty, it's because probably you haven't installed Node.js onto your system, so you need to install Node.js. Imagine the difficult thing is just in the installation bit. Once you're done with the installation bit, it's going to be such a breeze. Okay, it's going to be such a breeze for you. So we go, it's asking us, do you want to install BMAD method version 6? So you just click on the Y, then press enter. So it's just going to load for a bit. Then we have the BMAD method installation directory. Just click enter. Install in this directory, yes, click Y, then enter. What is the root? It is .bmad. Then we'll do what? Click enter. Okay, let's wait for it. After that, then it might not show anything. I have noted that after you click where it says .bmad, then it's like you have to click enter again. Okay, and then now what shall we call you? Katiechi, yeah, that's my name. So I'll click enter. It might pick your name or it might give you BMAD. It doesn't really matter, you can just let it be. So click enter. Then the next thing is preferred chat language is English, that's the default, so you're going to click enter. Preferred document output language is English, you're going to click enter. Where should AI generated artifacts be saved? Yes, on the docs folder, click enter. Install other documentation and optimize agent intelligence, yeah, so you're going to click Y and click enter. Now when we get here, you can see there is the up and down button. When you click on it, it chooses different things. Okay, so I would want us to install all of them. So BMB BMAD builder, when you are at that, click on the space tab. Okay, click on the space tab to pick that, then go down. Don't pick the game development one because you don't need it. The BMM is already chosen. Then go down to CIS, then click on space tab again. So you have chosen the three of them. Okay, BMB, BMM and CIS. Then you're going to click on enter. Then finally enable agents, yes, you're going to click Y, click on enter. Here it's the same thing. Recommended tools, so we have Atlassian Rovo Dev. No, we are not using that. So go down, click on the space when we come to Claude Code, then go down again and again and again and again. We have Google Anti-Gravity. You're going to click on the space, we want that. Okay, so we are working with Claude Code and Google Anti-Gravity. Are we together there? Good. So once we have those two selected, and the way you select is by clicking up and down arrow to move it up and down, then you click on the space to select, then click enter to go to the next section. Then here we are being asked, where do custom agents get created? Whatever they have chosen for you there, just click enter. Where do custom flows lie? Just click enter. Where do custom models? Just click enter. What is the title? Just click enter. It's vibes intermediate, just pick the intermediate one. Okay, click enter. Where should the sprint? Just click enter. This one is test architecture playwright capabilities, yes, so you're going to click Y, then enter. You must install packages yourself or test architects frameworks command. You must, okay, just click Y and enter. Okay, it's going to start installing. So it's installing the BMAD framework core, whatever we are going to be using to build the sites with. Okay, so as you can see, BMAD is ready to use. Installation is complete. Thank you for helping us in the early release, agent vibe TTS setup and all that. Okay, so once we have that, it says press enter to start agent vibes installer. So we are going to click enter. We click enter again. Good. So it has started. So as it's doing its thing, you can see we have the agents here. These are the agents. We have a couple of them. Okay, they're quite a number. You can see we have the brainstorming, the UX designer, we have the SM, the product manager, the dev, the architect, and all that. That's where the agents are stored. So it don't worry if you don't get it all at once. What are they saying here? Which TTS provider would you like? Let's just pick the one that is free. Okay, just click enter. And then where should the Piper voice models be downloaded? We shouldn't have even done this, but it's voice models. Okay, just click enter. Install agent vibes. Why? Click enter. Proceed with installation of TTS. Let me just click no because I don't need it. Let me just click enter, and then we are done with that. We don't need the Piper TTS. Okay, let's just leave that. So as you can see, we have agents. We have the BMAD method here. We have Claude, and then we have docs. Good. So once we have that, the next thing is going to be shown on the next video. Okay, because I expected us to have worked on the product manager, but the video has been too long showing you about the BMAD method and how to install it. So once we've installed it, the next procedure is going to be for us now to work with it. So let's put a close on that as of now, and then we'll continue on the next class. Thank you.